Claim: did Kim Jong-un call Maduro his friend and ask for his immediate release? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. Several social media users have claimed that North Korea's leader Kim Jong-un has called Venezuelan President Maduro his friend and called for his release immediately. Verified X user, Censored Humans, made such a claim, stating that Kim Jong-un issued a statement warning of a potential world war. It quotes Kim as saying, "This oppression will lead to a world war," while calling Maduro his friend and demanding his immediate release, addressing former President Donald Trump and US leadership. The post gained over 1.7 million views and can be seen here. Other users have made similar claims which can be seen here and here. Fact check. Truth. The claim is false. While North Korea condemned US strikes in the reported capture of Maduro, there was no such statement made by Kim Jong-un. Other quotes attributed to Kim, including remarks about a world war and personal framing, also seem fabricated. Fact check details. Digit-i India investigated the claim and found it to be false. While North Korea has condemned US strikes on Venezuela, Kim Jong-un did not make those statements. The quotes in the post are fabricated, and there is no confirmation of such remarks. Moreover, North Korea's foreign ministry also said that the current situation in Venezuela caused a catastrophic consequence to ensuring the identity of the regional and international relations structure. View a section from the report here. Calling the US nature rogue and brutal, North Korea has called for voices of due protest. View a section from the article here. There is also no specific quote from North Korea stating that oppression will lead to a world war, or the Venezuelan president must be released immediately. And finally, Kim Jong-un picture used in the claim is taken from one of Kim's old pictures while discussions were being held to bolster North Korea's nuclear capabilities as seen here. Thus, the claim is false. Claim: North Korea's Kim Jong-un called Venezuelan President Maduro his friend and called for his immediate release. Conclusion: the claim is false. While North Korea condemned US strikes in the reported capture of Maduro, there was no such statement made by Kim Jong-un. Other quotes attributed to Kim, including remarks about a world war and personal framing, also seem fabricated. Rating: totally false. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel Digit-i India.